My name's Ludeman and I've been playing drums for over 9 years. I play in a band called the Haskins and I use Collision's 5AR drumsticks. Some of the things I love about these sticks are their consistency and durability, because each pair feels the same and they actually last a really long time. I also love the feel of these drumsticks because they're perfectly balanced and each pair feels very high quality. I also love the customer service from Collision because whenever I need to get in touch, they're always there ready to answer emails and answer my questions. I'm now going to play for you an original song from my band called Don't Time Again.